Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
It's not easy at all. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. It took me a long time to do this. Okay. Please stay. Please stay. Please stay. Please stay. Please stay. Ah, struggle is real low. It's shaking. Can't even breathe. Anyways. It's bent. Ah, it's volleyed. Oh my God. This is not funny. Please stay. Please stay with me. Oh. Darling, please don't fall and stay with me. Okay. This one right here is trying to fall. Please try not to fall. I don't want to get you so close to my eyes. So guys, manage it like that. I'm looking myself. Just try to blend it as much as I can. Because I can't even breathe. My nose is stuffed. I can't breathe. But it's okay, it's one of those things, you know. Doing makeup on myself can be very challenging, honestly. Oh God, I wish I was doing this to someone else. Easier. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. But it's okay. Figure it out as I go. Skin is trying to pull itself. Please, please, please don't fall. If you fall, I'm going to cry. Oh, it's falling already. Ah, please don't fall. This is terrible. Oh, this is a disaster. It's supposed to be easier. I don't know why it's not. See? It's choppy. Good. I'm going to check this in some high. You got that very good. Oh, Jesus. It's not easy. If you figure I should manage it like that, I've tried. I'm mocking myself. Okay, this studio blood. I used it before. Let's see how thick it is. Ooh, that's really. Okay, studio blood, studio blood. Oh, today blood is bloody now. So let us. Uh, Still is shaking seriously. I'm just so afraid it's so it doesn't fall. But me, I'm gonna mess up the whole thing. It's okay. Did you get the idea? I don't want to do a lot of blood. This is still falling now. But this is not nice. Let me see. Stick it to my finger. Okay. Have to manage it like that. So there's some of this. There's some blood everywhere. It's not looking straight. Thank you, but it's not staying. I'm just struggling, but it's okay.
It looks like it's staying.
Yeah, it's just falling. Trying to adjust it to look symmetrical. Okay, we're done. Fell down. Finish. I didn't want to take pictures. It's okay. Some screenshots of them.